Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a project using CC Designs. It's a brand new stamp set, and I just got it. I ordered this one from the Not Too Shabby shop, and I do love CC Designs. I would say I'm a little picky with what I like. I tend to like the pixies; they're my favorite. Um, and I also like the little critters that they use. I don't really like the Roberto's Rascals and some of the more like, sort of cartoonish um, kind of characters that they have. But the Swiss Pixies I do love. And so this one is called Unicorn and Rainbow. And I just happen to have this Doodle Bug paper pad on my desk for something else. It's kind of falling apart here, and I don't have a ton of paper left in it, so I might try to kill that when I get close. I try to do that. So I used this one. So this is the first card. And so they have this rainbow paper in here, and it does have red, but the rest, I kind of wanted to kind of bring out the red because I colored her in this red and blue and pink. So I kind of wanted to tie my color scheme together. So I did put a piece of red scrap here, and I used my favorite Stampin' Up! That I've had forever, Scallop Punch. It's perfect. Little white gel pen, and my favorite heart stickers from Reflections, the little puffy stickers I put on there. And so I use the clouds that come in the stamp set and the rainbow. And then I colored her in with Copics. Be Unique, that's part of the stamp set as well. And then I just fussy cut everything and put that one together. And it's a little busy, but I think it's really cute. So I like that one. And then this one is a pastel version, very similar layout to this one, but it looks very different just by changing the colors. So I colored her all in kind of crazy pastels. And then I did one cloud and the rainbow, and then I did the other sentiment, which is have a magical day. And I put the little unicorn paper here, and I colored everything in with Copics. I do really like that. I might come back and do a little stickling on like the clouds. I just noticed that I didn't do that. Or I might just use my favorite Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray on it. I might do that just to kind of give it a little bit of sparkle because it is unicorns. So I might still go in and do a little bit of something because I kind of love the sparkle. And so I love how that one came out. Really cute and fun. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.